This is an excellent over. Yes.
Oh dear, oh dear. Kevin Peterson. Kevin Peterson.
Be a chance. No, it isn't. Exactly. Now we know what his plans are. If he plays 15 balls, then there is trouble for the opposition. Dhoni.
Here he goes. It's in the air. Oh, another. Number 4. The double winder. How many he's going to get. It's in the air and it's out of here. Well, look at the follow through, Douche. Look at that. Once he actually makes the strike, he gets such a lot of speed.
Dhoni this time. My goodness. Wow, I don't know what I've seen a better one than that. That is just incredible. That's the 6. Nonchalant. I mean, honestly, Mr. Dhoni. Have a look at it. It was pretty good. Just check out where it's gone.
And as it found the gap, he does it amazingly well. Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
6s as well, and this one almost a replay of the 4 that he hit the previous over, except that it
Tries it again. Should only be one. There is only one.
all the wrist from that. My word, that wasn't that bad a ball, but just look at the power.
Really sure about that one.